Hello, my name is Amanda Melcher and I'm an assistant librarian at Jernigan Library. Today, I'll briefly show you how to search for an article in the database Sage Journals Online. To access it, start by going to the library's homepage, lib.tamuk.edu. From our homepage, look to the upper left of your screen and click on the link that says Online Resources. All of our online databases are organized in two ways, alphabetically with letter tabs at the top and by subject on the right. Sage Journals Online begins with the letter S, so I'll go ahead and click the letter S tab. Once I find my database, I'll go ahead and click on its name. The database features several boxes to type in your search terms or concepts. So if you're looking for works about nutrition and women, you simply put each term or each concept in its own box. Now that I've typed in both my terms, I'll go ahead and click the search button. The database will then show you a list of all of its contents that contain the two terms you searched for. To access any article, simply click on its title. You'll be taken directly to the PDF of the article. It can be saved for later by clicking on the download icon on the right side of your screen. For more detailed information about the article, you can return to the search listings. From here, click on the article's abstract link. This section provides author listings, publication information, the journal title, as well as an abstract and keywords. This has been a brief tutorial in using Sage Journals Online. If you need further assistance, please browse related videos or contact the library's reference desk at 361-593-3319. Thank you.